Good morning. This is Harshit, your tech host for today, and welcome to today's Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. Click the subscribe button to stay updated. Slack is launching a new tool named Slack AI, focusing on enhancing user experience. This AI tool will provide channel recaps, thread summaries, and a refined search function. Channel recaps will produce summaries of discussions, aiding catch up for users. Slack List, a new feature, will aid in tracking team projects and assignments. Slack is also set to release Workflow Builder for easier third-party app integration. Previous AI additions by Slack include ChatGPT and the Summarizer for Hurdles. Next up, we have Apple is heavily investing in artificial intelligence AI technology. The company's conversational AI team, called Foundational Models, consists of 16 members, many ex-Google. They are focusing on various AI projects, including chatbots and task automation. Apple's Ajax GPT model is rumored to surpass OpenAI's GPT 3.5 in capabilities. CEO Tim Cook is optimistic about AI's role in Apple's future. Official confirmations about these AI ventures remain pending. Xiaomi is entering the foldable smartphone market with the Xiaomi Mix Flip in 2024. The anticipated device will house the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset and a high-end camera. The Mix Flip's IMEI database appearance hint at its imminent launch. While details are scant, excitement builds around the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 inclusion. A potential parallel launch with the Mix Fold 4 is speculated. A previewed design showcases a compact appearance and an impressive camera module. The Galaxy Note 10 series by Samsung concludes its software support journey. Phones in this series will cease to receive new OS updates or security patches. Previously, these devices transitioned to quarterly security updates. Launched with Android 9, the series saw updates till Android 12 in late 2022. This recent development marks the end of the software lifecycle for the Note 10 series. Initial software support for Samsung smartphones traditionally spans 5 years. New EU rules could reshape online business standards for major tech corporations. The Digital Markets Act (DMA) targets gatekeeper services of big tech firms. 22 online services from tech giants are now designated gatekeepers under the DMA. The DMA mandates interoperability of messaging apps and user choice in app pre-installation. Major tech companies including Apple and Google have a 6-month compliance window. The DMA is among the strictest tech industry regulations worldwide. GoPro introduces the Hero 12 Black Camera and the Max Lens Mod 2.0 SC. The Hero 12 features extended battery life, superior video stabilization, and HDR photos. It supports multiple aspect ratios and shines in night photography. Max Lens Mod 2.0 enhances the field of view and provides powerful post-production tools. GoPro also debuts a 48-inch extension pole and a waterproof Bluetooth shutter remote with a quick desktop app set for phased launches. At last, Spotify may soon make its in-app lyrics feature exclusive to premium users. Multiple users noticed the lyrics feature logged behind a payment barrier. Notifications are prompting users to upgrade to Spotify Premium to access lyrics. This potential change is still in the testing phase, as confirmed by Spotify. Spotify consistently tests new features, some become permanent while others don't. No official announcement has been made about this feature's permanency. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news.
ये डब्बा हमको मिला है 60,000 रुपए का। इस डब्बे के बारे में आज सारी चीजें बताने वाला हूँ। वीडियो सेव करो, दोस्तों के साथ जरूर शेयर करना। अपने i3, i5, i7, i9 के बारे में सुनाऊंगा। ये है इंटेल का i9 13th जनरेशन, सबसे लेटेस्ट और सबसे खास बात है आपके लैपटॉप में नहीं आता है, ये कस्टम पीसीस के लिए बना है। चलिए इसको खोल के देखते हैं कैसा दिखता है, क्या हमारे 60,000 रुपए वर्थ इट है। इस तरीके की इसमें पैकेजिंग आती है। चिप तो मैं आपको पार्ट 2 में दिखाऊंगा। तो हमने प्रोसेसर मंगाया, इसके अंदर 24 कोर है, 8 परफॉर्मेंस कोर है, 16 एफिशिएंट कोर है एंड टोटल नंबर ऑफ थ्रेड्स 32 मिलते हैं। इसकी अनबॉक्सिंग के लिए पार्ट 2 के लिए कमेंट करना, और इसमें आपका सिस्टम तो हैंग नहीं होगा, बट जो सिस्टम को फॉलो करता है तो आईटी शॉर्ट्स को भी कर लेना ऐसी अमेजिंग टेक शॉर्ट्स के लिए। टिल देन कमेंट सिस्टम डाउन। मिलते हैं कल।